This one is going to get a quarter panel put on it.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on it. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm round in the corner. This ain't a persona. I do this for real. I'm hungry, success is the deal. I think niggas will come with the meals. Boy, I said come with the meals. When I get money at a bill, mean I get nachos and comments and nachos.
I have a Chevy Impala here. This one is going to get a quarter panel put on it. Pretty messed up. On this one, you have to actually buy, they call it a uniside. You have to actually buy the entire side of the car and then a section where you need it. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this guy apart. There it is. I gotta do a little repair on this wheelhouse now, and I'll go ahead and start cleaning up all the old seam sealer and welds and all that stuff. Alright, I have this new panel sitting up there. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make my final cuts through both layers of the existing panel and the new panel, so I have an exact cut right where I want it. So I'm gonna mark where I want my welds at. Where I have to do a MIG weld, a plug weld, I'm gonna put an X. And then I'm feeling where the old spot welds are, because you are not supposed to go right on top of the old spot weld. So I'm trying to go next to them. So this is a sound deadening pad they put on the inside of this quarter panel. This is just a generic one. I can stick that in here. I got this one all fit together. Door gaps look good. Tail light and trunk lid gaps look good. I'm gonna lift it back off, and I gotta put panel bond through the wheel well, which is an adhesive that gets glued in there, and then I will start welding this guy on. Now, in order to make sure I put this quarter panel back in the exact same position that it's in right now, I put 4 or 5 sheet metal screws in different spots. That way, whenever I put it back on, I'll put these screws back in, and that'll tell me it's sitting exactly where I have it right now.